TAME 2100 is an integrated delivery team for the asset management of the flood defences of the Thames Estuary.
So the most innovative part of our programme is the digital transformation that we've gone through. So we have a bespoke GIS viewer, a bespoke iPad application for collecting information out in the estuary, but on all of our assets. We also collect survey information, and all of our information is linked back into the GIS, and that becomes our common data environment for the entire estuary, and that's open to everybody across the integrated delivery team.
I love the way they use technology in health and safety, the biometrics, the use of tracking CSCS cards, and then going into the use of drone technology and putting that on a web-based platform that's accessible to everybody. So the accessibility of the information and really focusing on that, such that you get multiple uses out of the same thing, stood out to me.